Hello friends, in this video, I will provide you the latest information regarding All India Quota Counseling, which is going to be conducted by MCC Medical Counseling Committee. This is the official website of MCC. In this, you can click on UG Medical. Here you can see the latest notification regarding CW and PWD candidates. And also, this is another notice regarding particularly for CW category students. When you click on this notification, you can see this notification details. In this notification, you have the details about two types of category students. The first category is CW category students. The second category is PWD category students. CW means children or widows of armed forces. The second category is persons with disabilities, that is PWD candidates. For these two category of students, they have given the details. First, I will explain you the details regarding the PWD category students. After that, I will provide you the information regarding CW. If the student belongs to PWD category student, before apply for All India Quota Counseling registration, you need to get the disability certificate from Medical Authority, which is provided by the MCC in 16 notified centers. That you need to appear for any one of these 16 centers to appear for medical examination to avail 5% PWD reservation in UG to get the admission into MBBS, BDS and Ayush courses. Here you can see the list of disability certification centers and the city or state name and also the type of disabilities they are providing the medical examination. Before you choose the center, you should make sure that whether your selected center is providing the medical examination for all the disabilities or not, because some of the centers they are providing only for specific disability cases. Here you can see in the second row itself, they're providing only for locomotor disability candidates. So that you should check whether your selected center providing the medical examination for all disabilities or not. You can see in these 3, 4, 5 rows, these three type of centers, they're providing medical examinations for all type of disabilities. Like this, you have to choose. And also you should select the center which is nearer to you and comfortable to you to appear for medical examination. Whenever you are going to appear for medical examination, you need to carry all the academic certificates and also disability certificate already is with you. And along with all these documents, if you have any medical reports or any medical devices or any surgical related reports, you should carry with you and submit at the time of medical examination to get the disability certificate in an efficient manner. Clear? And one more thing is, whenever you are appearing for this medical examination, you need to submit the requisition letter also. That requisition letter you have to write on either A4 size white paper or you can take printout. For that requisition letter, already I have prepared in 2023 counseling and I have provided that requisition letter to the appeared candidates. This year also you can utilize that requisition letter already prepared by myself. I will provide you the link of requisition letter in the description box. You can avail it. So this is the complete information regarding the PWD category students. Regarding CW category students, whenever you click on this notification, then you can see the notice. In this notice, you can see the subject, submission of documents for entitlement or concession for seeking admission and CW category, 85% Delhi quota to various UG courses, MBBS, BDS and Ayush courses for the academic session 2024 to 25. That means for Delhi local students only, they are providing CW category seats to get the admission into UG courses like MBBS, BDS and Ayush courses for this academic year 2024 to 25. I think many of the CW category students already they have applied in Delhi University official website. Now, based on this notice, you need to submit all your relevant documents in this official website link only. To upload all these documents, this official website portal shall remain open from 31st July 2024 at 10 a.m. to August 4, 2024 up to 5 p.m. So all the CW category students are requested to upload your relevant documents on this Delhi University portal on or before 4th August 2024 up to 5 p.m. only. If you have any doubts, here they have given phone number also 01127662764. You should contact them to clarify your doubts. I think this video is helpful for these two category of students, CW and PW category students. I request these two category students should complete your process in time. And whenever you see this notification, PWD category students, they didn't mention the due date, so that the students, those who want to appear for medical examination, immediately you should go to selected centers and appear for medical examination and get the disability certificate as soon as possible. Maybe 5 days to 7 days only they will accept to do the medical examination. So that I request all the PWD category students to appear for this medical examination as soon as possible. I hope this video is very helpful for CW and PW category students, and I wish these two category students to make this process successfully in the specified time. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel All Exams Info. Thank you.